All right, I want to welcome everyone back to the Foundry as we're getting ready to pour a brass ring here. I really appreciate y'all hanging out with us. We didn't do the mold layout this time around. If you want to see how we build our molds, I will refer you to another video here. But we were pouring a brass ring. This is an aluminum brass ring. It's 10% aluminum, 90% copper. So let's see how this turns out. So here we are, we're going to get into the polishing and finishing portion of this ring. And we start with a 40 grit here. We always start with a 40 grit just to get that oxidation off, get that rougher edge off. And then we move to a 180 grit, and that would be where we would finish our stock removal. So if there's any imperfections, there's any areas that we needed to take out or thin down, that's done with the 180 grit. And then we move to our polishing grits, which are 600, 2000, and then we finish with red jeweler's rouge with a buffing wheel. And you'll get to see the 2000 grit and the jeweler's rouge here shortly. So with that, I'm going to get out of here, let you enjoy the rest of this ring finish, or ring build, or ring pour, cast, whatever we want to call it, the creation of this ring band. And if there's anything you'd like to see, don't forget to drop it in the comments below. I read each and every comment, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of your video.
chance to create, pouring dreams into molds.